Here, strange scars on the seabed hint at one animal's remarkable strategy. These are bottlenose dolphins, one of the most intelligent animals on Earth. Their prey is very elusive, fast-swimming fish. But the dolphins have invented a completely new way of hunting. By beating its tail down hard, this dolphin stirs up the shallow silt. And by swimming in a tight circle, it creates a ring of mushrooming mud around a shoal of fish. The contracting ring traps the fish just like a net. Panicked, the fish jump to escape, right into the open mouths of the waiting dolphins. Again and again, the lead dolphin creates a circle before they all line up with perfect timing. These dolphins are the only ones known to have developed this hunting behavior, and it gives them an edge. This sort of advantage may mean